Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make ceramic sink in Heartopia. So if you want to upgrade your bathroom or maybe kitchen with that clean, modern aesthetic, the ceramic sink is a must-have for your home design in Heartopia. And here I'm going to show you exactly how you can craft it from scratch. So first, the recipe I'm going to show you. Okay, this is the ceramic sink. So you need two materials. The first one is the stone, second one is the ore. And after that, you can just use your workbench and select the ceramic sink. I'm going to just create one. Click on craft. Let's try again. Okay, so here I've just created my first ceramic sink. So this is how it will look like. And after that, you can just place it on your house. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.